Your feet down. I am the airbag. I explode at 200 miles per hour. If I go off, I'm folding you like a lawn chair. Sit properly. This keychain weighs 5 pounds. Stop! You are dragging me down. You're destroying my lock cylinder. Just use the car key. Stop riding me. I'm on fire. Downshift the gear. If I get too hot, I stop working and we go off the cliff. I'm bald. Look at me. I'm smooth. I have no grip. One rain puddle and we are sliding into a ditch! Replace me! I am freezing. The oil is thick like honey. Don't rev me yet. Let me warm up or you'll crack a piston. Wash it off. Bird poop is acid. It's eating my clear coat. If you leave it in the sun, it burns a permanent hole in the paint. Wipe it now. Where is the fluid? I'm dry. Listen to that scream. I'm scratching the glass. Squirt the water first. I am the fuel pump. I need gas to stay cool. You're driving on fumes. I'm overheating. Fill the tank or I'm gonna burn out.